everyone and welcome back to my channel. As you can see, I'm in a different setting today. I have come down to my allotment basically to get some fresh air and to have some fun and do some work, of course. So I thought I'd bring you along with me and show you the sorts of things I get up to. If you're new here, hello, I'm Kerry, thanks so much for stopping by. I do lots of lifestyle content on this channel, so do have an explore. If you like what you see, please do consider hitting that subscribe button. But for now, let's get on with the video. So, as many of you know already, I am visually impaired and I love finding new ways of doing things to make things easier for me. So I thought I'd just show you how I plant some potatoes, because a lot of people love potatoes. I love potatoes, so let's get started. Now, what I've done is I've got a little, it's like a handle off a spade. So I thought I'd use this because it's easier to just dig a hole. Now my dad, when he does them, digs sort of long trenches, but that's a bit difficult for me. So we've come up with this new way of me like digging an individual hole, just pushing the spade in the ground, digging an individual hole, dropping the potatoes in. Now I'm doing it now because it's around the time of St. Patrick's Day and I have Irish connections, and my nan always told me it's the best time to put in potatoes. So we're going with that, we're seeing how it goes and hoping that we don't get any frost. So what I'm going to do is I've put this tape kind of across here. Now just to show me how to keep them in a straight line, because it's important to plant potatoes in a straight line. So I'm going to go about here. I'm just going to push this down. It's very difficult because the ground is a bit hard. Okay, so I've made this hole here. So I'm going to take my spade out, feeling where the hole is. I'm just going to pop this down here. I'm going to get a potato. Now, I've put rockets in because rockets are some of my favourite types of potatoes. I'm going to have to take a glove off because the challenge is I can't really feel what I'm doing when I've got these gloves on. So I'm just going to have to get a bit dirty for a minute. So, here's the potato. It's got a sprout on it. I have been leaving them to sprout. So I'm going to pop it in. Oh my gosh, yes, we're good. In this hole, about here. I'm going to put my gloves back on. And then what I'm going to do. Right, so I've put that in the hole. I'm going to fill that in now. I'm going to get some soil. Pop it in. Cover it up. I'm going to get my dad to check this as well later. Now what I'm going to do, I need to be measuring 12 inches to the next hole. So I'm going to put this little stick, which is actually 12 inches, because that's how I know that 12 inches away. So I'm going to put my spade here. That's about 12 inches. And now I'm going to dig another hole. I'm going to put another one in for you. I'm not going to put them all in because, you don't want to do all that. I'm just going to dig down again. Now it has to be about 6 inches deep. And I've put some tape here so I know what is 6 inches, because I can go to this tape, put my spade down here. Yeah, take my glove off again. It's a very difficult operation here, just because it's quite fiddly. Getting another potato's got a sprout again. Popping it in. Filling the soil. Should have put my gloves back on. Forgot, never mind. And then I would measure the 12 inches again to the next point. That's how I put potatoes in. I'm really hoping that they grow and that I can get yummy potatoes to eat. And I also really hope that you've enjoyed this video and you see the sorts of things that I'm doing on here. But right now, I think I've done enough for a minute, so I'm gonna have a sit down and a cup of tea. So all I can say now is have a good day, have a good week, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!